The probe into the horrific rape and murder of a 31-year-old practicing doctor at the RG Kar Hospital in Kolkata has intensified. The CBI, which took over the probe from state police last week, has gotten permission from a court to conduct a polygraph test on the accused Sanjay Roy. The probe agency claims Sanjay, who is the only arrested person, remember, in this horrific crime, is being evasive and concealing facts. Meanwhile, the central agency continues to grill the former principal of the RG Kar College, Sandeep Ghosh. He was questioned for a fourth straight day today. According to CBI sources, there are discrepancies in statements made by Sandeep Ghosh, and data has been erased from his phone, which raises suspicion. Let's also tell you, on the other hand, the Supreme Court has taken suo motu cognizance of the case, and a bench led by Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, will be hearing the matter today. Meanwhile, protest seeking justice for Devi continues across the nation.
The parents that there is a deeper conspiracy or the larger conspiracy as far as their daughter's death is concerned. The second big question is that was there an attempt by the principal or by others to dress up the crime scene, or an attempt to destroy the evidence that could have linked the higher-ups as far as this brutal crime or the grotesque crime is concerned. The police as well as the state government have completely denied this. As far as the other aspects of this case is concerned, there has been a bitter war of words between BJP and TMC, and also between TMC and other political parties within the state. The Supreme Court will be hearing this matter. Will the Supreme Court order a court-appointed inquiry, or will look at the larger issue as far as the doctors and hospital staff is concerned? The repeated attacks that have taken place on doctors and nursing staff is concerned. The doctors want that there should be immediate implementation of the law which makes the crime as far as the attacks on doctors are concerned. The center, as far as doctors are concerned, they are saying that center is dithering as far as this issue is concerned. The health ministry has repeatedly asked doctors to come and speak to them. They have also importantly have said that doctors should immediately end the strike and join work.